Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Klipsch R5 in-ear wireless headphones and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case you're having any issues with these earphones not connecting to Bluetooth or not syncing or pairing to your phone or anything like that. Or if they keep disconnecting, a factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now the other reason you might want to do this is just for whatever reason you want to delete all of the pairing history and everything like that so that you can go ahead and set them up like they're a new set of earphones. And if you decide you want to get a new set of earphones, I'll put a link in the description to a good pair at a good price. But anyways, if we want to do this, the first thing we want to do is go on our phone or whatever and have them forget this device. So that we can set it up like new. And then we're just going to come in and find this button in the middle here between the volume up and the volume down, and we're going to press and do a long hold on it. We're going to hold this button for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, this will reset these earbuds to their factory default settings. We can go ahead and set them up like we're setting them up for the first time.